Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be playing this game called Super Bloxy Ball. So basically, we are going to be racing as like this ball thing. and then we pick what we want really in here. We can pick whatever we want. So right now I picked this box fish thing. So and I have my brother, the awesome man. I have my friend Mabs Gills. I have my other friend, It's Your Boy. And basically, we're just going to race. So I'll see you in the first race. And just by the way, we're in a private server, so it's only us. Okay, guys, we're in a map. This is pretty cool. It's called Teapot Circuit. And here's my brother, Awesome Man. See if he knows the shortcut. And he does know the shortcut. So I just went through that shortcut. It'll really help me. But, so my, I just don't want to get in last. I want to get in the top 2. Actually, I just want to get first every time. So let's see how he does. He's a basketball right now. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Wow. Surprising. But what's not surprising, this is a Geico commercial.
No.
I'm sorry, guys. We're sponsored by Geico. Geico Coke. Coke Sprite, sponsor me, please. Wonder Bread, sponsor me.
Awesomeness Roblox.
Jake the Baller, sponsor me. Roblox, sponsor me. I'm playing your game. Pancake Mix, sponsor me. The Awesome Man, sponsor me. Dude, he's in front of me. I got in first place.
I'm in 4th.
I got second.
I missed.
Yes.
I missed the line.
Nice. We got in first place. And of course, my brother is in last place. But I got in first place. You see that number? And then that's my beautiful body.
I'm gonna switch. I'm doing the random one.
Okay, guys. So basically, we're gonna pick a random one. Okay, everybody, close your eyes and pick a random one. I'm closing my eyes. Closing my eyes. I'm a hedgehog. Oh my god, this is so cool.
I'm a cloud.
I'm a hedgehog.
Afro.
Okay, guys, I'm a hedgehog.
I'm a redhead. I'm an afro.
Okay, guys, I'll see you in the race. Okay, guys, so we're in another race. I'm in 3rd place right now.
It's the same map.
It's the same map, but last time I did good, so I think I'll do good this time. But so here I am as a little hedgehog. Let's pass map skills right here. Come on, let's pass him. Oh god, he's right there. Okay, you gotta hit that booster, or then you're dead.
Awesomeness, get over here.
The awesomeness. I need to pass him. Okay, guys, so basically we are doing some good stuff right now. But
I'm jumping.
just remember, sponsor me, Coke. Coke, sponsor me.
Pancakes.
Awesomeness Roblox. Sponsor us.
Here, just anyone. Anyone, comment down below what you want me to play, I'll play it.
Exactly.
Yes, I'll play it.
You want us to sponsor?
Yeah, and if you have a company, sponsor on me. Pay me $1 million.
A month.
1st place.
Dang, okay, I got in 2nd place. Pretty good. Pretty good. If you see here.
At this map.
Oh, my brother is a cloud. Oh, God. We lagged. It's a lag.
I suck at this map.
Aha! 4th place. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next map. Okay, guys, I'm going to pick a random one right now. Everyone pick a random one. And random. Whoa, I don't even know what I picked this thing. Oh, God. I am terrible at this map. If I do bad, don't get mad at me in the chat. You guys, if you guys know this game, comment down below. Just comment hi. Just comment hi. Jonathan, Maya, Mrs. Crystal, comment. I'm just naming names. If your name is Jonathan, comment down below. If I don't know, if you like Roblox, say I love Roblox. Just comment.
Comment anything.
And guys, thank you so much. We have 24 subscribers, I think. Already with one video, 24 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. Oh, let's go. I think I'm in first place. I'm so bad at this map. How am I in first place? And this is my last lap, so maybe, oh God, no, it's your boy. It's your boy, don't pass me. Please let me win.
Let me pass you.
No, it's your boy, you can't pass me. I'm better. Yes, let's go.
No!
Let's guys, again, first place. Ha! Second place.
Close.
Third place is... Oh, wow, map skills. I'm sorry. Okay, guys. Okay. When map skills is out, we are going to pick the random one. Okay, everybody pick a random...
I already picked. I got my poison apple.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, close your eyes and pick. I got
already
grapes.
picked. I got the poison apple.
Oh, he's a poison apple. I have grapes.
I got cloud again.
Oh, okay. Do it again if you.
I got dudes.
I got
Oh
last.
my God!
I got dudes.
Jacob, I got last, of course, again.
Please don't eat me.
I got last again.
Oh.
Last again.
Wow.
New round.
Oh yes.
No.
Wow. Okay, guys. Sad music.
Mr.
Oh, I'm in third place.
I'm in first.
Come on, Jake Paul, sponsor me.
Come on, I won. Guys, I give up on this round. I'm in fourth.
Go, come on, the awesome man, fight me. Nope, sure. Yes, he got got knocked on the wall.
I suck at everything. I'm in third.
I
I'm
know.
a chicken. I'm gonna be.
Oh no. Okay, good. I think I'm good. Yeah, I'm good for now. There's no one behind me right now. Well, there is, but like not well, I see. Oh God. Okay. What?
I lost connection.
Oh no!
I'm joining again. I just lost
Yay!
Second again.
Okay. Wow.
Jacob, show the chat to the viewers.
Okay, let's see. Whoa, everyone's joining. Why is he joining so much? Okay, guys, so I'll see you in the next round. Okay, guys, so basically we are going into another round right now. But it's your boy. His computer died, but he's still in the game. I don't get that.
Wait, I turned racing off. No.
Oh, he took... Okay, so it's only me and the awesome man. Who will win? It's a 1v1.
Guys.
1v1. If you guys want to see Booga Booga, I will play it. Yeah, I will play Booga 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 Booga. Okay, guys. It's probably enough cringe. Comment cringe if you think this video is too cringe. Oh no. The awesome man. Oh God. Maybe he'll mess up. Dude. No! Dude! How? Let me see. Oh God, he's right there. He caught back up. Oh, I see him. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go through this like little portal thing. Is he there? Okay, he's right there. Okay, we gotta go. First place still.
Gotta go fast.
Let's go. Come on. Jake Paulers, let's do this. Come on, Logang. No! 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 We almost won.
You got second? You got second?
Yeah, okay, guys, that is it for this video. And please leave a like on this video if you guys like it. I will do a part 2 if you guys really like it. Please, every single person who watches this, if you could, comment down below. Okay? See you guys in another video. Peace out.